Hello everyone, welcome to pythonvibes YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be posting all the Python based interview questions and answers along with the explanation. These videos will help you to understand the Python basic and advanced concepts and provide you the guidance to build programming logic so that you can crack your coding interviews easily. In today's video, we need to find sum of even numbers from a given list of integers, and as a sample input we have list equals to 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 7, 1, out of which we need to find out sum of even numbers. What are the even numbers from this list? 2 plus 4 plus 6, which will add up to 12. So the same output we have to get it from this list. Let me open IDE. There are multiple ways to approach this problem with using built-in methods and without using built-in methods. We will see how to write a code without using built-in methods. Initially, I'll be taking one variable called as even sum, which I'm initializing to 0, and later I will be looping over all the elements inside this list, and then if I'll be checking whether this element is even number or not using modulus operator. If it is an even number, then I will add that element to the even sum variable, and then at the end I will print this even sum. Let me save this and run it. We have 12 as our output. Let me explain what is happening here. So we have this as our input list. For the first iteration, we got element as 2, and we will check whether 2 is an even number or not. Yes, it is an even number. So it will come inside the if condition and it will add that element 2 to the even sum variable. So we'll have 2 as our even sum. And for the next iteration, we'll have element as 3. But 3 is not an even number, so it will skip that iteration. And later we have element as 4. It will check whether this 4 is an even number or not. Yes, 4 is an even number. So we will add that 4 to the even sum. Already we have 2 as our even sum. Then we are adding 4. 4 plus 2, which will add up to 6. In the next iteration, it will take element as 6 and it will check whether this 6 is an even number or not. Yes, 6 is an even number. So it will add that 6 to the even sum. Already we have in the even sum as 6. So then 6 plus 6 will add up to 12. Then it will go to next iteration and it will check whether this 3 is an even number or not. No, it is not an even number. Then it will skip to next iteration. Later we have 7 as our element and it will check whether this 7 is an even number or not. No, it's not an even number. It will skip to next iteration. We have element 1 and it will check whether this element 1 is an even number or not. No, 1 is not an even number. So finally it will print that even sum, and we have stored that even sum with 12. Now we will simplify this code using list comprehensions. Even sum equal to sum of this list of elements. So inside this list, I'll be writing element for element in list. If the element modulus 2 equals to 0, then using this condition, we will decide whether a number is an even number or not. At the end, we will print this even sum. Let me save it and run it. We got 12. This is using list comprehensions, and we can also do this using lambda and filter. Let me do that. Filter lambda x percentile 2 equal to 0, and as an input I'll be passing list as input to this lambda function, and next I will find the sum. Let me print this. We got 12 as our output. There is another approach using reduce. For that I had to import that reduce from functools. From functools, import reduce, and later I'll write the expression for this. Reduce lambda x comma y x plus y if y percentile equals to 0, else x, and I'll be passing list as our input, and if there is nothing I'll be initiating with the 0 value. Let me remove this extra parenthesis. Let me save this and run it. We have 12 as our output. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe to pythonvibes YouTube channel. Thank you.